In choosing my brand, I decided to do something a little more unique than I originally planned and to do something I was really passionate about. So I first began choosing that I wanted to do a baking page because I love baking and that's always been something I thoroughly enjoy. But after doing some research, I found that there's already a lot of baking pages out there. So I decided to do something a little more specialized, just pies and pies alone. When developing this brand, throughout the semester, I created 17 posts on the two channels, so 34 posts altogether. One video, three paid ads, I did one highlight on my Instagram, and then 10 hashtags per post to gain awareness. When deciding who my audience was, I looked at brands similar to my own, like other baking pages, and found that mostly women in their 20s and to 65 years of age are interested in baking pages. They live in the United States and are about middle class. They have other interests than pies, including baking, home improvement, and children. The paid ads I ran were on Facebook and Instagram. The larger photo in this slide is the ad I ran on Facebook, and then the smaller two are on Instagram. I did pretty well on both ads. I would say the Facebook ad did better than the Instagram ads. The blueberry pie photo, I started off with about 36 likes and it grew to 41 after the sponsored. And then the Facebook ad got me a few new page likes. I reached about 157 people with 16 reactions and a few new followers and likes. I began this page from scratch on Facebook with 0 likes, no awareness, and then I would get around 1 like on average on each of my posts, which was from my mom. And now I'm getting about 2 likes on average with 14 people aware of the page, and then I have currently 10 likes on the page. The Instagram page grew better than the Facebook one. I started also with 0 followers, no awareness, and about 12 likes on average due to my hashtags. I grew that page to 75 followers with 105.80 people aware of the page and 24 likes on average, but that number grows pretty equally due to post content. The most engagement I received on my posts were both from Instagram. The one was from my paid ad. I reached about 41 likes, and as you can see, one of my followers commented on it. And then my other post was 31 likes with also with a comment. The video I posted also got quite a few comments on it, but not as many likes. I grew as a social media developer quite a lot. You can kind of tell on my posts that I got pretty substantially better at captions and photography throughout the semester. I also learned a lot about videography through the video post and lighting. So throughout the semester, I'd say that I learned quite a bit about social media and developing a brand, and I grew that passion I always have had from social media into something real that I'm proud of. Thank you.